हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं ऐश्वर्या और आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल में जिसका नाम है कुड़ी कमाल दी। और आपका स्वागत है मेरे हैशटैग कमाल की दिवाली सीरीज में। सो दिस इज द लास्ट एपिसोड ऑफ दिस सीरीज एंड प्रॉब्ली द बेस्ट वन बिकॉज आई एम कम्प्लीटली इन लव विद दिस वीडियो एंड द कॉन्सेप्ट। सो जैसा कि आपने टाइटल से पढ़ लिया होगा, दिस वीडियो इज अबाउट हाउ कैन यू गेट एंड स्टाइल a Diwali outfit just under 999 guys, like everything, jewelry and entire outfit. So yeah, stay tuned, watch till the end, and if you like it, what you have to do is share this with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And also all the links of the products will be in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so from very long I was just trying ordering various products from a app which is very famous these days. I have seen lot of YouTubers buying the stuffs and reviewing, so I thought why not I should give a try. So yeah, so the app is Meesho. Yeah, I want to try the few products from Meesho and I am really surprised. The quality of the product which I ordered is really amazing and the price, you will not even believe it. So first product which so here for this Diwali I thought of trying something different, not going with the usual kurta or kurti palazzo set. So I bought a sari. Yes, a sari which is quite different and yet subtle. So I'll just show you first how the sari looks, and I am in completely love with this. So this is the sari. So as you can see, this entire sari has a sequined work, and this is so it's not that transparent, it's like a sequined work. And I feel though the entire sari has sequined work, still it's not like over glimsy jaisa hota hai na, it's not like that. So it's like a perfect outfit. Plus I never had any sari of this color, so I thought why not to do a different kind of a Diwali look. And this sari, you won't believe guys, this was just of 570. Exact price I am mentioning on the screen because I don't remember. So somewhere it was around 570. So 570, what you need, such gorgeous design sari is like my favorite. And I also the try on haul will be after this talking stuff is done. So yeah, so this with this sari comes also the blouse piece which is like this color, and I just got, it will not be ready made, you have to just get it done. And also so 570 is the sari price, and also I got this blouse done simple sleeveless for just 250 rupees guys. And yeah, just from a local tailor, nothing fancy, just a sleeveless blouse, nothing fancy, very good. So the Meesho app is also, you can earn from this app, and also this is not a collab video. So guys, this app Meesho, you can also earn from it, as in you can buy and just have a, I am not very sure about it because I haven't done that, so you can just check it out. And also for the product which you can buy, I think the app is really good. And also I've tried few jewelries from here, so probably I'm going to make a Meesho jewelry haul very soon on my channel, so stay tuned. And yeah, and let me give you a heads up, jewelry of Meesho is really amazing, and the quality and the price and the design is really unique. So please stay tuned and watch and wait for that video. So this was the sari, and so with this I thought of pairing this up with a beautiful yet different jewelry which I have never worn. So basically I am a person who loves junk jewelry and will be wearing jhumkas and all like this. So but this time I thought कि 2020 काफ़ी अलग है, तो लुक भी 2020 दिवाली लुक भी काफ़ी अलग होना चाहिए, राइट? सो आई जस्ट ऑर्डर दिस ज्वेलरी, दिस choker neck piece, as you can see, from Meesho. And guys, see the quality, it has a beads, and I ordered something like a little same kind of a color matching with my outfit. See, as you can see, I just paired it up in the app, and yeah, so I ordered it separately. Also I will like to tell you, you have to order separately because there are a lot of retailers who will sell the products. You cannot add everything in the cart. So this I found little weird because if you want to add multiple product, it's not accepting multiple product from the same retailer, only it accepts. So yeah, I have ordered this different karke. So yeah, this is the choker, and this was of only 170 rupees, and I was like really not sure when I ordered. I was like, okay, लेट्स ऑर्डर एंड सी हाउ इट इज, एंड अच्छा नहीं होगा तो रिटर्न कर देंगे. बट आई एम रियली शॉक्ड 170 में what else you will get, guys. It's so beautiful, it's so beautiful. Also this has 2 earrings with it, so it's a set. So this is the earring. As you can see, the quality, all the diamonds are properly stud, not at all a single one is out. And similarly with this, everything is properly stud, and there is no defect in this product. Absolutely there is no defect, and it's so pretty. And for 170 I cannot ask for anything else. This is gorgeous. Okay, so yeah, so this was about my Diwali outfit. I hope you guys like it, and आगे चल के देखते हैं कि ये कैसा लग रहा है. तो देखते हैं.
Sage.
Video, and I hope you guys like it. If you like it, what you have to do is subscribe to my channel. And this is the end of my series, which is hashtag Kamal Ki Diwali. I just really enjoyed filming this series, or this festive series, and 3 videos in a week, and it was really hard for me. Actually first I planned I will do 5 videos, but then I couldn't manage because I'm a working person. So yeah, these 3, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. If you haven't watched those videos, please go and watch it. I'm sure you will love it and you will enjoy it. And happy Diwali to everyone, and I hope you guys will stay blessed, stay safe and stay beautiful. So till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye. Also all the links are in description box, so don't forget to check. And please यार share कर देना ये video अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपनी girlfriend के साथ, अपनी wife के साथ. And you can gift your wives, your girlfriends, your moms, your sisters, all these stuff. सस्ते में निपट जाओगे यार. Bye bye.